So we got this situation: 25 power 26 power 27 divided by 11, find remainder. Okay, so you know that we have to follow certain steps. So the step 1 is you have to divide 25 by 11 to get the remainder. So if you will divide 25 by 11, you know that 11 2 times 22. Okay, so 3 will be the remainder. Correct? Now what we have to find? We have to find out the cyclicity. Okay, so look at this, how we will find out the cyclicity. So step 2 is 3 power 1 divided by 11. So you know that the remainder will be 3. 3 power 2 divided by 11, it will become 9. 9 divided by 11, it is 9 only. 3 power 3 divided by 11, so it is 27. If you will divide 27 by 11, you will have 22, and 5 will become the remainder. Now 3 power 4, I know that you know 3 power 4 is what, but look at this. So suppose that, can you write 3 power 4 as 3 power 3 into 3? Correct? So if you will divide 3 power 3 by 11, you know that your remainder will be 5. Now you have 3, so 5 3s are 15. Now you have to divide 15 by 11 to get the remainder. Okay, so this is also one of the method. So the remainder is 4. Okay, now 3 power 5, you know that you cannot rest, you have to proceed, keep on going in the search of 1 or minus 1. Now 3 power 4 will give you 4 as the remainder, so 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 11 will give you 1 as the remainder. Okay, so we have cyclicity as the number of steps, because we got 1 in 5th step, so cyclicity is 5. Correct? Now we have to follow 3rd step. So in 3rd step, what we used to do? We used to divide the power by cyclicity. So 26 power 27 by 5. Now you know that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So can I write 25 plus 1 power 27? Now if we will apply the binomial concept, you know that the element in which we will have 25 will be divisible by 5, and we have only last hope in which 25 is not there, and the element would be the last one. So can I go with 27, see 27, 25 power 0 and 1 power 27 divided by 5. So you know that here we will get 1. 25 power 0 is 1, 1 power 27 is 1. So we got 1. Correct? Now we will put this remainder on the power, means on the 25. So we have 25 power 1, which we get by dividing by cyclicity. Okay, divided by 11. So this will give you the remainder, final remainder. Okay, this is the final step. So you know that if you will divide 25 by 11, you will get 3 as the remainder. Okay, I hope you got the idea. If you are not able to understand, just go through the previous video where I have explained the approach, and just apply this approach, you will get things done. Okay.